may or may not show up.
Interpreter is not available at 11.
Okay.
I apologize.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, the next matter to address off the 9/29 calendar is Mr. Gibson, cause number 3A0624063. This is on for pretrial. We did submit to the court a statement of defendant on plea of guilty. This is going to be as to count 2 only. That's one count of a controlled substance possession. Upon the court's acceptance of the plea, I believe the city is moving to dismiss count 1. But Mr. Gibson and I did go over that in its entirety. He is indicating he has no additional questions. So I do believe, based on our conversation, that he is making a knowing, intelligent, and voluntary decision, and we are prepared to move forward with the plea this morning.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Gibson.
Morning.
I apologize. I thought I had hit the form early enough, but it's just taking a little time to load on my computer. Just a moment here. Okay. I guess before I hear from you, Ms. Greenwood, is there anything from the city?
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct. The city is moving at this time to dismiss count 1, and that is the obstructing of the public officer charge.
All right. Mr. Gibson, I do have a document before me entitled Statement of Defendant on Plea of Guilty under your cause number 3A0624063, and with your name on it. It also looks like you gave Ms. Pimentel permission to electronically sign this document on your behalf. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have a chance to read or have read to you the entire document prior to deciding to enter into this plea?
No, I have not, but she explained it to me, and
Go over it with you, Mr. Gibson, and read the relevant portions to you.
yeah, she did. Yes, she did.
Okay. Do you feel like you've had sufficient time to review the document to understand the nature of what you're doing right now?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And you're comfortable proceeding, or would you like an opportunity to read the document before we go on?
Let's continue, please.
All right. Did you have a chance to go over the document with Ms. Pimentel and ask any questions that you may have had?
Yes, Your Honor. No questions.
Okay, I'm just going to say, did she answer those? But it sounds like you had no questions. Is that right?
Right.
All right. Do you have any questions for me about the document?
No, ma'am.
All right. We're going to go through this together. Starting on page 1, paragraph 1. Is Patrick J. Gibson your true name?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you 32 years old?
Yes.
Is the highest level of education you've completed a GED?
Yes.
Paragraph 4 indicates the crime you're charged with that you wish to plead guilty to today is 1 count of controlled substance knowingly possessing it. The elements of that crime were set forth in the charging document that you received